Let's learn how to cancel an Instagram story upload. If you accidentally uploaded something to your story and don't know how to cancel the upload, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is check if your Instagram app is updated. On an iPhone, you can check in the App Store, and on Android, you can check in the Google Play Store. To do this, type Instagram into the search bar and open the Instagram page. If it says open next to it, the app is updated. But if it says update, click on it and wait a moment. Now you need to open the Instagram app. Once Instagram is open, make sure you're on the correct account. When the app is open, click on your story that is uploading, located in the upper left corner of the screen. When you click on it, the page where that story is located will open. You now need to click on the 3 dots in the lower right corner of the screen. When you click on that, a few options will appear on the screen. You need to click on the Cancel Upload option, which is in red. When you click on it, it will ask you if you're sure you want to do this. If you are, click on Cancel Upload, and that's it. This was a tutorial on how to cancel an Instagram story upload. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.